If a quadratic function has the form f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, then the x-intercepts occur at those values there. This is just the quadratic formula, so it should look very familiar. And the vertex occurs at negative b over 2a and f of negative b over 2a. You just plug that value into the function itself. Okay, so let's find the x-intercepts and the vertex of this function. Let's first do the x-intercepts. So we just use the quadratic formula. Opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times 2 times 3 all over 2 times 2. This is 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 minus 24 all over 4. This is 8 plus or minus 40, square root of 40 over 4. I can rewrite this as 8 plus or minus the square root of 4 times 10, which is 2 square root of 10 all over 4. And if we share the denominator, that gives me 2 plus or minus 1/2 the square root of 10. Those aren't very nice numbers, but those are the two x-intercepts. Now for the vertex, the x-coordinate is negative b over 2a. So opposite of negative 8 is 8 over 2 times 2, which is 8 over 4, which gives us 2. Now, to find the y-coordinate, f of 2, 2 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2 plus 3. This is giving me 2 times 4 is 8 minus 16 plus 3. And this looks like it's negative 5. So the vertex is at 2, negative 5. Okay, before we double check this in the calculator, if I want to get the two approximate values here, I just have to plug them into a calculator. So 2 plus 0.5 times the square root of 10. This is giving me 3.581 approximately. And I do the same thing but subtract. Gives me 0.419. Now double check in the graphing calculator. To do this, we'll just press y equals and plug in the function. So 2x squared minus 8x plus 3, and graph that. That looks good. If we trace 2, negative 5 should be at the bottom there. That's good. And then to get these other values, we can press second calc and choose the 0 option. Go to the left of it. Now I'll go to the right of it. Press enter. It says 3.581. That's the first one we found. That's good. And if we just double check, it looks like it's about right, but we can get more exact by doing this. Choosing 0, go to the left, go to the right, and that looks good.